In the beginning there was no space, no time, no matter, just a singularity, an infinitely hot and dense point beyond our imagination. Then, in a moment of unimaginable power, everything changed. The Big Bang, the birth of space itself. In an instant, a point expanded into a powerful explosion of energy that wove the very fabric of reality. Space and time were born. A vast and unknown universe began to emerge from deep chaos. From this explosion of energy, the universe began to cool. As temperatures dropped, the first particles of matter, quarks, electrons, and protons came together, forming the building blocks of everything we know. Over millions of years, vast clouds of hydrogen and helium gas began to collapse under gravity, forming the first stars, massive glowing beacons of energy. These stars would light up the darkness and shape the structure of the universe. Stars are born, live, and die in an endless cycle. Some stars explode in supernova, scattering their elements across space, seeding the universe with heavy elements. These elements are the building blocks of planets, life, and everything we hold dear. As stars and galaxies form, gravity pulls them together, creating vast structures known as galaxy clusters, a complex cosmic web of light and matter stretching across the dark void. In one galaxy, on the outskirts of a spiral arm, a star was born that would give rise to a solar system, our solar system. Around this new star, a cloud of gas and dust began to spin, collapsing under its own gravity. This protoplanetary disk would give birth to planets, moons, and asteroids that make up our solar system. Over millions of years, particles of dust collided and stuck together, growing larger and larger until a small planet began to take shape. The sun, a burning ball of light and heat, shone brightly at the center, illuminating the spinning disk of matter. As planets began to form, the young solar system was a violent place. Collisions between planets generated immense energy, causing worlds to grow through impact and accumulation. Early Earth was a molten, chaotic world, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Over time, this relentless bombardment began to subside and the surface started to cool. Oceans began to form and an atmosphere developed, a thin layer of gases that would protect the planet for billions of years. After millions of years of violent impacts, Earth began to cool. Volcanic eruptions released gases, forming the early atmosphere. Oceans, rain, and winds started to shape the surface, carving out the first land masses. Earth was now a volatile yet beautiful world, covered in oceans, with continents slowly emerging from beneath the waves. The stage was set for the next great chapter in Earth's story.